Because library and online can give you all the answers. It's because some of the most valuable some of the most valuable information are located in just online and online and library. Some of the answers can give can, some of the questions can be answered by this book. Some of us use field research in order to gather data. Why? Field research deals with the creation and collection of actual and authentic information by field of operation in the organization. In short, in forms of surveys and observation. It is generally performed by persons in telephone or electronic media. Now that I've explained the meaning of field research, why do some people choose field research as their method? It's because, although some of us, yes, let's say it's time consuming, but we're dealing with facts here, not just opinions. It's all evidences. One one speaker, one in the internet, I'm sorry if I forgot their name, said that if they're developing a product, aren't you just gonna go in the library and search if how many people want to have this kind of product? Are you gonna go online to ask them? Of course, you're gonna be go surveying them. But surveys is formed. Uh, it's gonna be explained by my partner, Carla Bartolini. Good morning, everyone. Uh, I know that some of you have conducted surveys, interviews. These are forms of field research, and I will tell you all the types of field research. One is observing the atmosphere. With observing like this, I will observe all of you, and then I can write down notes on what you think. Next is conducting an interview with an expert. Uh, we all know that information is more reliable when you hear it from the expert. So, uh, so you can interview an expert so that we all know that they are more knowledgeable about the topic we are gonna research about. Next is corresponding to an expert. For example, the person you want to interview is far away. You can just send them a letter or an email. You should also put the question in your email so that uh, the the person you are asking about will reply as soon as he finish reading the email. And if you're using a letter, you should put a stamp on it. Next is the media. We all know that media is a big influence in us. For example, in TV, television, and radio. What we see and what we hear from them uh, influences us and changes our mind. Next is public discussion, seminars, conferences. It is good to attend conferences and seminars because some seminars, some that conduct seminars always invite an expert that is really reliable. So when you're going to a conference, you should take down notes on what the speaker will say because it may be helpful in the research you are doing. Uh, positive in researching. Researching can be fun. So, for example, in conducting surveys, you will meet a lot of people. You can go to many places. And when interviewing an expert, you are sure that it is really reliable because you are talking to the person who is really into that